acting up.
Someone's doing math around here. Someone's getting all stressed out. Here we go. What's going on over here?
I'm trying to do some math.
You're doing some math, you're getting yourself all stressed out, raising your blood pressure and all this thing.
Look at this.
You gotta be careful when you're doing this, you gotta simplify it.
Simplify. Alright, well, what do you mean?
The equal sign is equal in both ways.
Okay, so.
3t4 does equal 3t4.
Okay.
You gotta rationalize things, you gotta simplify things for yourself, dog. Or else, you're gonna get blood pressure, you're going to stress yourself out, and then your life expectancy is gonna be way shorter, and you're going to die. You're going to do the mathematics, and you're going to be dead because of the mathematics that is happening inside of your bloodstream.
It's happening in my bloodstream?
Yeah, mathematics is everywhere. You can count the amount of cells in a body, and you can divide the cells. Cell division, and it goes very deep. But everything is equal to everything. Just like this 3t4 equals 3t4,
That is simple.
Yeah, it's as simple as it gets. It is what it is. Literally.
Yeah.
And if not, it could be bad. You could have an aneurysm. You could have a stroke. But even if you did that, it is what it is. A death is a death. A life is a life. 3t4 equals 3t4.
I'm glad it doesn't have to be more complicated than that.
And it better not be complicated. You better just let it be how it is, because that's how math is, dog.
Yeah.
You can't not make it not what it is.
Yeah, that's true.
It is what it is. One more of anything is just one more of whatever it was.
I've heard that math-related stress is like the 56th most common cause of death. And since billions of people die, that's a lot.
Never has anything ever not been, and never will it ever be not.
0 is just an illusion. How can you have 0 of something? You just don't have it at that point. You don't gotta make a whole number for it.
A negative and a negative is still just whatever it is. It would be a negative and a negative.
Division is the devil's work. How do you take something and split it up and still have whole things? That's not how that works.
Multiplication is difficult. The square root of any number is the square root of that number.
If you add two numbers together, then you have combined them. Very good stuff.
Stress rates in America has increased, and therefore it literally is increasing.
Why do they have letters in math? I've always wondered. What is that? How can you have a letter be a number? Just put a number there. It's that easy.
Blood pressure is a mathematic in itself, and therefore it is the enemy, and we just have to accept that it is what it is. Just like terrorism. 1 plus 1. It's the most simplest one. 1 plus 1. This is the simplest one. Everyone in America needs to start here. If they do not start here, it's going to be too complicated and everyone's going to die. Starting with you. You, the American viewers. You must know 1 plus 1. What does it equal? 1 plus 1. It is what it is. This is the foundation of what everything is. Because it is what it is. Is equals is. People will die if we do not understand this basic concept of it is what it is. Literally, equals equals equals. This is the Doctor, and I am here to save America. That is you. You is you. Thank you.